All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see every one of you here. My name is Alex from MarketWise Asia. Good to see every one of you here. So if you guys can hear me loud and clear, just say a hi to me in the comments. I'll be able to see you guys in the comments. All right, just say a hi to me. So for those who are new to MarketWise Asia, right, remember to like our page. All right, so if you are already MarketWise Asia subscribers, to give me a like, share, or comments. Actually, I just did a Facebook Live yesterday night. Okay, I really didn't think that I would do another one so fast again because I thought I saw something interesting in this platinum matter. So I just thought I'd just do a quick Facebook Live and share with you guys. All right. So I can see Christopher, I can see Pauline. Hello, Pauline. Hey, Dennis, good to see you. Hello, JJ. Good to see every one of you here again. All right, so you guys are always on Facebook. Good to see every one of you here. All right, so yeah, can see me, right? Just give me a like, share, or comments. Okay, so today is just a very quick one. Okay, so yesterday I actually did this talking about this stock in focus, Outre and Philip Morris after the proposed let me share my screen. Sorry about that. Okay, so I actually did this, right? Stock in focus, Ultra and Philip Morris after the proposed nicotine curb. I just did that yesterday night. So if you didn't see this, just go ahead and watch this video. All right, it is at MarketWise Asia Facebook page. All right, so if you didn't like MarketWise Asia Facebook page, right, just remember to like our page or follow our page. Okay, hello Phyllis, good to see. Hello Morris. All right, so today my focus is on this metal platinum because recently I think my previous right Facebook Live I mentioned that there's a commodity bull market over here, right? So we will continue. So this led me to dive deeper into other commodities, especially the metals. For example, gold, silver is everyone is talking about it. So this very widely known. People keep asking about this gold and silver, but there is this platinum, palladium, not so widely known. As in, it is common, but as in people don't really have a very keen interest on this platinum. Okay, so today my focus is very simple. So platinum. If you are new to this metal, platinum, the one that I know is that platinum is mainly used in catalytic converters. That's mainly used in cars, okay? So also used in medical. Medical, I am not too sure. This is what I found in Google. So those who are in the know might want to share with me your knowledge. Okay, so platinum I know is used in cars. All right, so this is this link over here. So 10 interesting facts about platinum. All right, let me try to zoom in bigger. Okay, so platinum. All right, platinum. All right, so nearly half of the platinum that's mined is used in catalytic converters, part of the automobile that reduce toxic gases into the less toxic emission. Okay, so of course, recently the sexy theme is in electric vehicles and all this stuff, like Tesla and all this. But nevertheless, I feel that for the EV to really take over the world, it is still many years ahead. Right now, people are still using diesel cars, petrol cars, and people are also wanting to reduce the carbon emission to make the car more efficient and cleaner. So platinum, I believe the demand will continue to rise in the coming months or years, okay? To as mentioned over here, right, to reduce the toxic gases and the less toxic emission. So, all right, the sexy theme again is to green, less toxic, this kind of thing now, okay? Clean energy and all this stuff lah. So this is going to be a theme for the next few years also. And for platinum medical users, right, it mentions that used in let me see, all right, in catheters, stents, and all this stuff lah. So there are users for medical also. So platinum, all right. And let's take a look. Let's dive deep into the chart right now. So for platinum, all right, this is something that I'm looking at recently. For platinum, this is the CFD. Okay, let's take a look at the futures. All right, futures. Okay, platinum futures over here. PL, which is in trading view over here. All right, so can you guys see that platinum has been going up steadily since last year already? All right, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this wave. So at this moment in time, price is above the cloud, above the central pivot range. So price is still on a uptrend. Okay, but what I want to tell you is not on the daily time frame or even the weekly time frame. All right, what I want to share is on the monthly time frame. Okay, this is a very long-term time frame. So as you guys can see, right? So actually, platinum went into a downtrend since 2013 after price broke below the cloud and then just go down for many years, right? Hovering at the low for many years. Okay, so all right, so it seems that since 2016 onwards till late last year, actually platinum was in a very huge consolidation phase. Can you see over here, consolidation phase over here? All right, so if I use the volume profile, okay, I use volume profile. So bulk of the volume is transacted at about 330 something. I think it's 393 something. Okay, so these are horizontal bar over here. So bulk of the volume is transacted over here. So it seems that really people or the institution are accumulating at this price level. Now, right now, price is above this 930 already. So this is pretty bullish to me. And of course, for those who are with me for some time already, you know that I always use the cloud to determine the trend. Right, when price is above the cloud, I deem it as an uptrend. When price is below the cloud, I deem it as a downtrend. All right, so this is a monthly time frame. So every single candle, every single bar represent 1 month. All right, so right now, what do you guys think? Is it above the cloud or below the cloud right now? Okay, if you know the answer, right, just type in the comments while I take a sip of water first. Is it above the cloud or below the cloud right now? By the way, please give me a like, share, or comments if you are new to MarketWise Asia. If you think that I'm giving you value through this Facebook Live, because I always give trade ideas and all this stuff. Oh, by the way, whatever I say today is just for informational purpose. It's not recommendation to tell you what to trade, to buy or sell. Just treat me as a clown, okay? I'm here to entertain you. Yeah, I'm always wrong, okay? So please don't copy me, don't follow me. All right. So please give me a like. So this is just to tell Facebook that you enjoy my content, want to see more of me in the future. Because if you don't interact with me, don't engage with me, Facebook will deem that you don't like my content and will show you less and less of my content in the future. Okay. So yes, I can see Pauline, Dennis, Christopher, Victor, Maurice, Phyllis says all say above the cloud. Yes. So just broke above the cloud just 2 months ago. All right, so if you look at the let me go to candles, easier for you to see. All right, so let me just draw standard horizontal support line over here, or resistance line over here, or alternate H over here. Can you see price actually trying to break this high over here since this 2016 high over here? All right, this month cannot break. Last month cannot break, and this month price seems like it's trying to break and close above this high at about 1,200, 1,199, like, so it's 1,002. All right, so we just left 1 week before the month closes, and there's a high chance that there's potential that price can close above this high, and that would be very bullish to me. They'll be very bullish to me. All right, so there's a chance over here. Of course, you don't expect price to keep chong higher and higher with no pullback, as again price could do a rally, then retrace, go higher, rally again. So this is just mainly a trade ideas to let you see what are the certain things in the market that you can take a look at now. So platinum is one of them. All right. If you take a look at the daily time frame, okay, so price is still on a daily, as in price is still on uptrend. Can you see price actually tested the CPR over here, tested the CPR over here, tested the CPR over here, okay? Price actually dropped below the CPR over here. Can you see? Once it is below the CPR over here, right? Once below, can you see? Price tested and acted as a resistance over here, all right? Okay, and then price broke again. Once price broke above this CPR over here and then acting as a resistance, as in acting as a support right now, okay? By the way, yesterday, not yesterday, as in there is a wash and rinse over here. This is the wash bar and this is the rinse bar over here. So potentially it could represent a buy signal. All right, do copy me. I'm just telling you what I see from the price action. So there is a potential that price could test the high over here or even the high over here. All right. Over here. By the way, I am in platinum. I'm in platinum. I have a position in platinum, just to let you know. So again, please don't copy me. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. Okay, please don't copy me. All right. Natalie is asking what's the difference platinum versus platinum future. All right, platinum under normal CFD is very similar. Basically, it's very similar. Okay, but for platinum futures, it is because it's traded in the futures market. There is volume. I can see the volume. So for example, I go to the CFD platinum, right? I cannot see the volume over here. There's no volume. Okay, I use volume, just that I don't really teach it or share it in my Facebook Live. Okay, I don't really share it. Okay, so if I use the platinum futures, right, then you can see the volume over here. All right. So if you go to the weekly chart or even the monthly chart, okay, you can see that the platinum futures, the volume is going higher increasingly. And using volume, I can see that sort of the accumulation is somewhere around about $930. So right now price broke above the 930 already. So this is pretty bullish to me. But of course, you need to understand that our price has already ran up from the low. It's up about 100% already. So be prepared. In the coming weeks or months, there could be a pullback. But we'll see how the month closes. Okay. But I'm pretty bullish in platinum. Generally, like the commodities market are heading higher. All right. So if you take a look at these palladium is even crazier, right? Palladium ran up even higher. So from the low over here to now is about more than 500% already since 2017. So instead of looking at gold, silver, right? Why not take a look at platinum? Okay. So this is just a trade ideas that I want to give you. No, there are others, sexy things out there. Right, take a look at platinum also, all right? Does that answer a question, Natalie? All right, so I saw a question on uranium. Maurice, uranium, we say washed down 2 days ago. OBK, what price you enter or what stock do you enter? All right. By the way, for uranium, I'm still bull. This uranium futures, all right, URA, yes, so it is true, recently undergoing a pullback, okay, now it is at the CPR again, all right, and yesterday there was a wash and rinse. This is the wash bar over here, and then yesterday there's a rinse bar over here, the wash bar and then the rinse bar. So platinum, it is still on an uptrend. Let's say if you're using this uranium futures over here, uranium ETF, okay? Generally, it is still on a uptrend. Price, this is a weekly time frame. Price is still on a uptrend. And the pullback, at least to me right now, it is still a healthy pullback, a normal pullback to me, all right? On a weekly time frame, on a higher time frame, okay? All right, so any question before I end this Facebook Live? So I have something to share, just want to share with you quickly about this platinum because I come across this. Okay, so yep. Any question? I'll take one or two questions. If there's no question, then I will end the Facebook Live. Once again, remember to give me a like, share, or comments if you find that there's value in this, my sharing, just to let more people know about this MarketWise Asia and my Facebook Live also. All right, so I think I see that there are about 60 people plus in my Facebook Live. Giving a like is free lah. So please give me a like. All right, so yep. If you want to see more of me in the future, so if you don't like me, don't want to see more of me in the future, then don't bother liking me. I'm fine one, it doesn't matter. Okay. So if you want to see more of me in the future, want to see more content from MarketWise Asia, then give me a like so that at least Facebook will notify you. Kevin, is there a Nasdaq wash and rinse yesterday? Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq. Yes. Is it? Yes, there's a Nasdaq wash and rinse yesterday. All right, this is the wash bar over here, and then this is the rinse bar. All right. Yes, there's a wash and rinse over here. Okay, but on the weekly time frame, right? Yep. Still pretty bullish for the Nasdaq, the S&P 500, and the Dow. So okay, but just a bit of caution over here for the Dow. We are hitting the Camarilla pivot, the yearly Camarilla pivot at R3. For the S&P also, we are hitting there. So generally, the price trend is still going up, but be careful, okay? Don't keep stacking and entering into buy position. All right. The market is overextended. Of course, price can go higher, but be more careful of the risk. And if there is profits, you might want to take some, right? And of course, leave some and continue to ride, but be careful of the risk, okay? Just be careful of the risk over here. So I hope you guys enjoy my sharing today. So if I've always some trade ideas to share with you, I always do it via Facebook Live also. So thank you very much for tuning in. All right, I hope you guys are going to have your lunch already, and I'm going to meet Rainer and Jay later already very soon. Okay, so thank you for your for tuning in again. I will see you guys again maybe next week again. All right, so thank you so much. I will see you guys again very soon. Bye bye.